Oh, okay, yeah.
Welcome back to the ICF Mountain House build. This is day 2 of framing. Last video we finished framing the interior walls on the first floor. Today we're starting on the joists for the second floor, knocking it out quick, man. So let them get to work. Today's episode is sponsored by Ariat. We appreciate their support. Let's go.
Go ahead, we'll use this for that center. I'll use it for the center one.
You got that big square? I got one of those.
Here's a big one.
Oh, thank you.
Well, here's a bigger one.
That's not a square, that's an L.
Well, that's a triangle you handed me.
These hammers right here, they don't got,
Yeah. Holy crap, that doesn't weigh anything.
no, it's titanium.
Yeah, then I got the 16 ounce where you can replace the head.
Wow.
You can get a,
Those are over $100 hammers.
yeah,
I
you
bet.
can get a
Yeah.
new waffle face or just a smooth face for this one.
Cool.
It's only 16 ounces.
That's a lot easier than ladders.
Yeah.
Cool.
Hey, Jack, can you throw me up my hammer and my chisel, please? Oh, never mind.
Yeah, I ain't got nothing to do with it.
I thought you were down there.
That's what you get for fishing, Matt.
I know. You never count on you. tight? Yep. That's good. Yeah. Stand on that corner right there.
There you go.
One more.
Tap it in.
You can send that 2x. There. One more tap.
So many of you may be familiar with Ariat International for their famous quality line of Western footwear or their English and equestrian riding apparel, but you may not be aware of their Ariat work line of world-class work boots and work apparel. We've recently upgraded our working clothes with a selection of their best, and there's a website page at the Ariat store of everything we've chosen. For example, Jamie's chosen a Tracy composite toe work boot. This is a Western-style cowboy boot built with a grip strip platform, a multi-directional traction designed to deliver great slip resistance indoors and out. Non-marking Dura-Tread sole is highly abrasion and heat resistant, and it features a 9-inch shaft with 6-row Western stitch patch pattern and Ariat's signature U-turn entry system, which allows easy entry regardless of the foot. Jamie's also chosen the flame-resistant Dura-Stretch entwined boot-cut jeans, streamlined, attractive fit with a non-gapping waist and no chafe comfort inseams. It's Category 2 rated for safety, stretch denim, 90% cotton, 2% lycra. My choice was the Turbo 6-inch side-zip carbon toe work boot. ATS technology with carbon toe feature, which is lighter than traditional composite toe boots to provide strength and protection. Low temperature conductivity keeps your feet warmer in colder weather, and non-metallic platform for electronic security working conditions. These are a few of our favorites. We'll be covering more of them in the future, so check out the links in the video description below for the Ariat store and a link for 10% off your first order.
did them on the pole.
That's how you build a subfloor when you're a professional. Not how I build a subfloor. These guys knocked this out in one day. That's the end of framing for day 2, and tomorrow we're going to start on the exterior walls for the second floor. You guys did awesome.
Thank you.
And that's going to do it for this video. That's it. We'll see you tomorrow.